Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. First and foremost, I want to thank you all for clicking onto this here video. Okay, y'all, this is going to be a dish stash. This is the very first dish stash that I have ever done on my channel. I'm going to come to you all because this is going to be a dish stash concerning some earrings that I purchased. And y'all know I'm always talking about I'm going in my archives, okay? So this is some stuff that I've had and I'm selling it. So I want you all to know that if you are interested, for those of you who are interested, this is a dish stash of 18 pairs of earrings. I want you to know that the price of this earring will be, the price of this dish stash is $30 plus shipping, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get into this dish stash. First of all, I am going to show you, I'm gonna take these out the pack because a lot of these earrings have, a lot of the earrings that you will see are in packs, okay? And I want you to get the full effect of it. Like I'm tearing this up right now. So I'll just, don't worry about it. It'll be in something that's protecting it. So this is the first pair right here. And they're all wood earrings, okay? Except for some hoops. I have 2 pairs of hoops. They are aluminum. But this is the first pair. And like I said, this is $30 plus shipping, okay? This is a first come, first serve for anyone who wants to buy this lot, okay? So this is only one lot, and this is, I think it's 18 pairs of earrings. So this is the first pair, okay? So I'm going to show you the second pair, and I know that some of y'all are familiar with some of these. These are clip-ons. Okay, these have elephants on them. So this is the second pair. Okay, so I will be putting these back in the plastic. The first pair are tore. My third pair are these big hearts. These are large. Like when I say large, I mean large. These are huge. I had gotten these because I was going to paint them. I was going to do something really, really different, but these are large. Like, I'm going to measure these so you all can know how large these are. These are 4.5. What's that? 4.5, about 4.5 by 4.5. They're really big, okay? These are huge. Like when I say huge, I mean huge, okay? So I have these. This is number 3. And they're brand new. I've never worn them, never done anything with them. But what you see right now, I'm taking them out the pack, okay? I have 2 pair of queen earrings. I'm sure you all have seen these before. This is these right here. And these are the queen ones. Brand new. Okay, and they both say queen on them, so I'm not even going to take this out the pack. But this is a red pair, and this is red, yellow, green, and black. Okay. All right, so that's for these. So far I got 5 packs. All right, I'll do that once the video is done. Okay, so these are some hoops right here. These are large hoops, and these hoops are 4. I'm thinking they 4 by 4. They big though. 4.5 by 4.5 inches, pretty much. I'm thinking. Okay. So these are large, big, large hoops. Never used them for anything. I just bought them. Okay. So that's item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Item number 7. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that item? Wait a minute, y'all. Bear with me, please. I'm trying not to lose count. Yeah, so this is item number, this would be item number 6. Okay, these next ones, this is item number 7, and these are some earrings. I mean, these are earrings too, but these are the elephant earrings. Never worn them, bought them, had an idea that I was going to do something with them. Never did, y'all. Every time I go to the stores, I'm always buying stuff. Okay, so this is number 7. This is item number 8. I did a DIY on these, and I thought I was going to be doing more, but this has the African, and then it has the hoops around it. And you can pretty much, when you buy this lot, y'all, you can pretty much do whatever you want with this. You can paint them, you can sell them, you can do whatever you want, okay? So this is item number 8. Okay. And I'm just going to count them at the end to make sure that I told the correct number. So this is number 8. So this is item number 9. Never wore these before, y'all. I bought these. These are small hoops. Item number 9. Okay. I'm thinking I'm saying that right. Item number 9. Yeah. Item number 10. These Afro-centric pick earrings. Okay. I have another set right here. Never wore them. Never did anything with these. Okay. And I have a bangle. This bangle I got from the Dollar Tree. But it's gorgeous. But look, I can't do nothing with it. Like, I think it was made for, it seemed like to me it was made for a kid, but don't quote me on it, y'all. Okay? All right. So got this bangle. And last but not least, these are hypoallergenic stainless steel posts. Also another pair. I'm gonna say hoops, but they're not round. They just have a different shape. They brand new. Never used them for anything. Okay. So I need to count these items because I think I said 18, but I don't think it's 18 pieces here. Maybe 14 or let's just count them. So I have, wait a minute, let me put these back in. Gosh, I hate, that's why I don't like taking stuff out because I be tearing the bags, y'all. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it's 12 items. Where did I don't know why I thought I said, I think I said 18 or 16. But anyway, y'all, it's 12 items. I'm going to make this, instead of it being 30, it's going to be 12. It's going to be 25 plus shipping, okay? So it's going to be $25 plus shipping, which is still going to be $30, okay? So 25, at first I said 30 plus shipping. So now it's going to be $30 altogether, okay? I thought I had more items to this. All right, so with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, for those of you who are interested in this, it's $25 plus $5 shipping. This is going to be for U.S. only. For those of you who live in the U.S., if somebody out of the U.S. sees this video and they want to purchase this, it's probably going to cost a little bit more. It's going to cost more, okay? So this is going to be for U.S. only, 25 plus 5 in shipping, and like I said, you can get these. You can pretty much do whatever you would like with these items, okay? I want to thank y'all for watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, please, ladies and gentlemen, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell that's on the side so that way when I upload more videos, you will be notified, okay? Have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.